Can you describe your experience with climate action?
So, my experience in climate action, so experience as UIN group, experience ako sa climate action is maka-proud siya, of course, niya ka na experience ako ito kay Nahilo make and object is ang mga community, and specifically in our barangay lang. Kunya, sa sad kay kanang Mahilo make kanang ibang barangay
Ako day si Janela Mia Ceres, usa ka medtech student sa HNU. So,
Good evening.
ready na ba ka sir para sa atong interview lang karong adlaw?
Yes, yes, I am.
So, naalam ko yung mga pipila ka questions sir niya. Nang answer lang. So, ang saragoy makam up ni mga answer. Oh,
Okay.
okay. First is about sa imong engagement sa climate action. Can you describe your experience with climate action?
As an SK chairperson, have led several initiatives in our barangay. Um, One of these is tree planting drives. It is common and is key programs to have tree planting activities. Another one is cleanup campaigns. Yes, and I also helped draft and implement a barangay ordinance promoting waste segregation, as it is crucial for waste to be segregated for it to not be scattered at the place, and will also contribute to clogging up of drainages.
Okay, sir. What specific actions have you engaged in to address climate change?
Um, one thing I've organized was a actually I was a youth cleanup brigadas in Bisaya pa. So it promoted the use of reusable containers at community events. So prevent one to omit one-time use on our products. Example of this is um, one example of a one-time use in our products is plastic bags, which also contributes to the number of garbages found there. Yeah, as to using reusable ones. So I also facilitated seminars. For this is for the youth on environmental awareness and aware of what action could bring negative effects to the surrounding.
Okay. So, how did you first become involved in climate action?
Ooh. On. I became involved during a youth camp where we discussed the impact of climate change in coastal barangays. So from that specific youth camp, I realized that I could use my position as a SK chairman to start initiatives in my own communities.
Okay, sir. So, in doing this kanang action, sir, what motivated you to engagement?
Okay, so since our barangay is on the lower altitude than the others, so seeing the worsening flooding and pollution in our area motivated me, and I want to be part of the solution, especially for the future generations.
Okay. Were there any specific events, people, or experiences that inspired you to take action?
Ooh, if that was first ago, yes, barangay wide, or rather a whole region wide typhoon. Definitely specifically has struck our place in 2021 December and caused major damage to homes and forced families to evacuate. So that disaster made me realize that climate issues are already affecting us directly.
Okay. So how do your personal values or beliefs influence your participation in climate action?
Uh, uh, okay, values. I believe that as a youth leader, it is my duty to protect our environment uh, for a future generation. As Jose Rizal said, the youth is the pag-asa ng bayan. I also value fairness. Climate change affect the poor the most, and I want to fight for climate justice.
Okay. So when it comes to challenges and barriers, what challenges have you faced in engaging in climate action?
One challenge is the lack of funding. It is very common to have lacking funding as you are obliged to submit a lot of papers for your project or initiative to be approved and be funded off. So the lack one challenge is the lack of funding and resources for long-term environmental programs.
So knowing that challenge, how do you overcome this to participate in initiatives? Or how do you overcome these barriers in participating climate initiatives?
Okay, to address the funding issues or funding challenges, I tend to overcome this by involving more young people as they are, you know, passionate to a change in your community. Also, I seek partnerships with non-government officials and using social media to, raise awareness. I also try to present environmental programs in a fun, engaging way. So that way, there will be a lot of that will participate in that said program.
So, what does participating in climate action mean to you personally?
Ooh, uh, okay, by participating, personally, it means doing my part to protect our barangay and inspire other youth to act. Um, it's not just about events, it's about building habits and creating long-term change for our community.
Thank you, sir. So, next, how do you think your actions contribute to addressing climate change?
Our action, I will be specific. Our action reduce waste, promote sustainability, and influence others to be more environmentally responsible. That one is actually big, a helpful thing as each and, each other anyone can indirectly affect the climate change. So by having everyone aware to what their actions will result, then potential dangers may be reduced.
Okay. So, can you describe any changes you've noticed in your community or environment as a result of these actions?
Okay, so as I have started my term, not to boast or not to gas myself up, but there's better waste segregation now, and more youth are joining cleanup drives. People are also more conscious about littering and using plastics.
Okay. So, moving on to social and community engagement na pod. So, are you involved in any groups or organizations focused on climate action? If so, can you describe your experience with them?
Yes, I'm a part of a youth eco groups called what's it called? Kabataan para sa Kalikasan.
Uh,
We collaborate with other barangays for inter-community action, or just like tree planting and coastal cleanups.
uh, how does working with others influence your participation in climate action?
As bec- as a human, and since human is a social being, or humans are social being rather, it keeps me motivated and allows me to learn from others. Working with a team also makes it easier to implement bigger projects that requires cooperation.
Okay. So, have you encouraged others to engage in climate action? If so, how?
Hmm. Yes, I regularly invite youth to join barangay cleanup drives or speak in schools and post updates about our projects on social media to encourage involvement or have a lot of engagements for awareness.
Okay. So, what role does social media or other communication platforms play in your climate action efforts?
Ooh, yeah, that's
And like you've
social media.
said,
Yes, social media is a very powerful tool. We can use it to promote events, share educational content for awareness, and highlight the positive impact of our project. And that way, it helps reach more people, especially the youth, who are you know
mm,
the ones that actively uses the social media.
so for your personal reflections, how has your involvement in climate action influenced your daily life?
Ooh, yeah. I've become more eco-conscious. I now use reusable items, compost at home, and avoid single-use plastics. And I also advocate for environmental policies in our council meetings, SK meetings.
Okay. So, how do you feel about the progress you've made as an individual or part of a group in addressing climate change?
That part, as I am about to end my term, because there will be a re-election in December. I feel proud of the progress we've made, but I know there's more work to do. What matters is that more people are becoming aware and are getting involved.
Okay. So, for future goals, what future actions are or initiatives do you hope to participate in?
Mm. I want to, you know, as a leader, I want to launch a barangay-wide composting program and promote livelihood rather training for out-of-school youth such as upcycling and urban gardening. Example of this is to reuse some kanang mga recyclable items. So this not only reduce garbages and create more products, but also create jobs for those jobless people in the barangay. Helps lots of factors, lots of fields.
Okay. So, what changes would you like to see in your community or society regarding climate action?
Uh, I'd like to see more strict enforcement of environmental laws, more eco-friendly infrastructures, and stronger support on higher level government for local sustainability projects, as it is one of our hindrances that support from above. So you know, I would like to see a lot of support from the main government, and that is for us in order to fully implement our projects to the
Okay.
full effect.